So today we're going to be talking about the natural disasters that happen in our country from coast to coast. And we'll go ahead and get started. And we'll start off right here in our very own state of California, right here in San Bernardino. Now, California is known as a dry state, so it's very prone to droughts and wildfires because wildfires don't tend to naturally happen in wetter states. And right here in San Bernardino is home of one of the most ferocious wildfires that happened just this year. Right here in the mountains of San Bernardino, a wildfire known as the Valley Fire stretched from 1,000 acres. So pretty much all this was just burned. And I think a solution for wildfires would definitely be water control, because I think the main reason why California has very low water to distribute is because of the population. So if there was just some population control, it would be much easier to distribute the water from across the state, leading to less wildfires. Now we're going to head over to Panama City in Florida. Now, Florida was pretty much the heart of recent hurricane known as Hurricane Michael. And hurricanes basically happen along the coastline coming from the Atlantic. And they basically hit Florida the most because of how close it is to the Atlantic. So it's very prone to hurricanes. And hurricanes, of course, are the cause of the climate change. So I think once we have more climate control and definitely take control of how the earth is becoming polluted, then we will be able to control the hurricanes that are happening within the eastern states. And less hurricanes means less damage, which means less money to spend. Next, we'll head over to Minneapolis, Minnesota. And Minneapolis, Minnesota, the state itself is actually known for its blizzards, like all across the state. Most famous for its blizzards. If you will look closely, you could see that there's little snowflakes already falling off down to the state because it's snowing over there right now. And I think blizzards definitely occur due to, again, the climate change. And climate change basically means like excessive weather in both degrees. Basically, it's very hot and it's very cold. So once we have more climate control, there would definitely be less blizzards and less damage in the northern states of our country.